Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC meets basic graphics and Windows requirements. This avoids later performance surprises. Once done, open Steam, purchase or install Wallpaper Engine, and grant any permission prompts so the app can run. Next, launch Wallpaper Engine and immediately browse the workshop or your local files to pick an initial wallpaper. This gets you into the workspace quickly while keeping options open for animated, video, or interactive wallpapers. You now fine-tune how the wallpaper behaves and looks. Open Properties to adjust performance settings like FPS and priority. Lower values reduce load, higher values improve smoothness. Then set multi-monitor behavior so each screen shows either the same or different wallpapers. If you want control, open the editor to change layers, import video/GIF, add audio reactive effects, and tweak colors. This is where you shape the final appearance and balance visuals versus system impact. You finish by saving your edited wallpaper and applying it. Make sure to enable Start with Windows if you want it active at boot. Once applied, build playlists and profiles so you can switch between performance-focused and visual-focused setups quickly. If something goes wrong, stuttering, no audio response, or crashes, first lower FPS and disable heavy effects, then update GPU drivers and Wallpaper Engine itself. These steps resolve most problems and get you back to a smooth desktop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.